Okay, more implicit diff, find the, except we're using it now. Once we get our derivative, we're going to use it to find the slope of the tangent point. And they give us a point, so nothing too different. So 4x cubed minus y squared, when we do the derivative of this, 4x cubed gives us 12x squared dx, minus y squared gives us minus 2y dy, equals, the derivative of y is just dy, and the derivative of 2 is 0. Okay, so we want dy dx, which means we divide every single one of these by dx. And with that done, we have 12x squared minus 2y dy dx equals dy dx. Okay, we want all our dy dx terms together, so I'm going to take this 2y and move it over to the right. The 12x squared stays put, and we get 2y dy dx plus dy dx. We have this in two different places, so factor it out. It is a common factor. We get 12x squared equals dy dx. And what does that leave us with? 2y plus 1. So to isolate, we divide both sides by 2y plus 1. I'm going to switch the left and right sides so we get dy dx first. And it's 12x squared over 2y plus 1. Good. And now they're telling us to find its value when x is 2 and y is 5. So the derivative will be 12x squared over 2y plus 1. That's what? 12 times 4 is 48 over 10 plus 1, 11. And now we get another one. 7xy equals 21. I really feel like dividing both sides of that by 7. In fact, yeah, I'm going to. Divide both sides by 7 and you get xy equals 3. Couldn't resist. Now, when you do the derivative, it's first d second plus second d first, so we get first d second plus second d first, and that's the end of the derivative there. And the derivative of 3 is 0. Divide the whole works by dx. And dx divided by dx is just cancels, so we'll forget about that part. And 0 over dx is still 0, so no need to change the right-hand side. If you want to isolate dy dx, we're going to subtract y from each side and divide by x. I'm shortcutting a little bit here because this one is simple. Minus y over x is our derivative. They tell us x is 6 and that y is 1/2, so we get minus 1/2 divided by 6, which is like minus 1/2 times 1/6. So minus 1/12 is the slope of our tangent line.